Right. So Kunal, what are we discussing today in terms of the real estate stocks and the trend there?
So, this month has been a month of revival for many sectors. We saw the metal index, we saw the auto index making a comeback, and positively the real estate index is also making a comeback in terms of the chart patterns. So what we looked at is two indicators. One is the nifty Realty Index mapped up with the indicator front. As you can see that the RSI is at a multi-month high already for the Realty Index, but the index is still far away from its all-time high levels, which means when RSI kicks off, it's a sign that trend has started to pick up, and the index will slowly and steadily go back into a new high, kind of a price phenomena. So which means over the next 2-3 weeks, we can expect more built-up of positive price formations for the Realty Index. The best part which I liked about this move, Nikunj, is that the real estate index in this month of September has been the most powerful move in terms of momentum, and it's taken even the other sectors like the metals, the autos, banks, all of them behind, and it's left them behind, and Nifty Realty Index is one of the best momentum sectors this time around.
Okay, now the real estate index, we are talking about index here, perhaps is a composition of 4 or 5 large real estate stocks, DLF, Prestige, Brigade. So there is a case then that DLF is getting ready for a smart rally, followed by Brigade and then followed by maybe Godrej and Shobha.
Yeah, so I think these top 3-4 names, they are the ones which are carrying more weightage. The best part about this that many of these stocks like DLF corrected by 20%, Godrej Properties corrected by 15 to 20%, Macrotech developers, Oberoi Realty, many of the other stocks, they've already gone through their 20% to 25% fair share of correction.
20% DLF has corrected?
Yeah, 20% from the recent swing highs.
Okay.
And
so the point what you're making, Kunal, just to bring it our viewers up to speed, is that markets at an all-time high, the technical indicators are indicating the real estate is getting ready for a breakout again.
And a retest of the new high.
And which means that just like in metals we were able to call out a comeback, you are now calling out for a comeback in real estate stocks, and with the underlying momentum in the market, the stage is now set for a 10 to 15% rally in the top 3 or 4 real estate names.
Absolutely, yes.
So it could be a very happy Dussehra and a Diwali for real estate traders.
Exactly, the trend is setting up.
That's the point here, that Kunal is calling out for a big comeback which could happen in real estate stocks, 10 to 15% in the run-up from Dussehra to Diwali.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.